you just say eat for breakfast?
Aki and dumpling, aki soup then. Aki and dumpling, you know. And you season up, you can season up the water, you can put wait name there, the black something. Browning, you can put browning in it, you know.
Musky.
Yeah, man, you know.
What do you say?
Browning can go in there, the aki tea, right?
Yeah.
Aki tea. Dumpling and aki alone you have, you know.
Yeah.
But you season up the water, it tastes good. Because aki leaf tea with milk tastes nice too, you know. You must try it sometime, aki leaf tea.
And what you say eat today?
I don't have for breakfast.
Wow.
Aki and dumpling. Tea. It's a tea, you know. And you can just season
So you
it
put
up.
everything in a one?
The aki and dumpling alone you have. Aki and dumpling, boiled dumpling and aki. And you season up though, you season it up.
What you cooking?
A dirty girl. Banana. And dump. Belly, I'm hungry. Green banana in a
So
skin.
what you cooking?
Them no blood. We can repeat myself for me. I tell you already.
What you cooking?
Dirty girl. You know, so the rinting tin pot. And the one pot fire. You know that. Man, some man I want to cook different, you know.
So what you
A
mix up?
ABC, do re mi.
And what you mix up?
The salt into the flour. I show them a dirty girl. Name dirty girl.
What name?
Dirty girl.
What name that
The
again?
tin mackerel. I want to feed on it regular, you know. I'm nowadays woman and I cook, you know. I can talk in Burger King and Island. What's your money for that? Because you cannot make it. If you don't make them soft. See? Alright. And you can't make dumpling and loose spoon make dumpling. Squeeze in that part, eh? And come around it. Yeah. Iron. The banana. Pot water, that name.
So that good?
Yeah, man. The iron and the banana boil in the skin. And the skin, the iron in it, you know.
So how you make dumpling so?
I said dumpling need. You know, say I use them lanky right from water.
Them dumpling they're too big, you know?
Yeah, man. I like them biggish. So dumpling them too easy for done. Eat off. It's a bushman this. A bushman potato and season salt.
So you put seasoning salt in there?
Season salt get his flavor in it. You know, I do my season my pot.
So why you put that in a
The
pot?
season my pot. I season my pot.
So why you put that in there?
I season pot of season.
And a mackerel you cook?
Yeah.
So a black mackerel?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
So why you put that in there?
I don't know better. I have to season my pot. Jim. Aline. I must Jim. What you gotta go now? Aline, I must Jim.
Just say you put it in?
What you going?
So brown stew you do?
I don't even know. I just have season up this pot.
Stew you do?
I don't know.
So what is it?
Season up a pot. It's long. And dumpling. Arlene, may I eat?